This smiling, happy little boy, now Western New York's first possible case of AFM, a viral infection similar to polio. Cameron's family giving us permission to show his face and tell his story tonight. Good evening, everyone. It is called Acute Flaccid Myelitis, or AFM, and affects mostly children. This virus attacks the nervous system and can cause paralysis. We are told that little Cameron can no longer walk. Now, the CDC says signs of this condition include sudden muscle weakness in the arms and legs, neck stiffness or weakness, a drooping face, difficulty swallowing, and slurred speech. There is no cure for AFM, and the exact cause is unclear as well. Now, it is important to note we are not looking to scare anyone or incite fear, but to inform and help you protect your family. Here's 7 Eyewitness News reporter Josh Bazan.
As near as we can tell, the rates are about 1 in a million of people getting it.
Acute flaccid myelitis is extremely rare, but more and more cases are popping up across the country. Now, there's a chance 3-year-old Cameron Toporzik from Sloan is the first case in New York State. His mom tells 7 Eyewitness News doctors have diagnosed her son with AFM, a disease that is similar to polio.
We think that acute flaccid myelitis is infection of the nerve cells themselves, and it causes them to become inflamed and to not work as well and to get swollen.
Cameron has been in and out of Oishei Children's Hospital for the past 2 weeks. His mom says the 3-year-old can no longer walk because of the illness. A spokesperson for Oishei will only say the hospital has a patient with a highly suspected case of AFM. Oishei has tested for the disease, but is now waiting on the CDC to complete its own tests to be sure it really is AFM.
Look for symptoms such as sudden onset of arm and leg weakness, difficulty swallowing, sometimes slurring of the speech.
The CDC has noticed an increase in AFM cases since 2014. Its recommendations for parents: stay up to date on your children's vaccines, wash hands frequently, and protect your children from mosquito bites. Doctors can't always pinpoint what causes AFM, and there is no cure. The only treatment is to manage symptoms.
AFM itself as a syndrome is not something that we believe is spread from person to person. It's probably more likely to be the after effect of having had an infection, a respiratory infection.
Cameron is expected to be at Oishei for at least 2 weeks while he fights this illness. In Buffalo, Josh Bazan, 7 Eyewitness News.